Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the legacy of a true American icon, the Ford GT. This isn't just a car. It's a modern legend born from the fiery rivalry of Le Mans in the 1960s. We are going to trace its incredible evolution from its revival in 2005 all the way to a futuristic vision of what the GT could become by 2035. Buckle up. Our journey begins in 2005. To celebrate Ford's centennial, they resurrected the spirit of the legendary GT40. The 2005 Ford GT was a stunning homage, capturing the low slump, wide stance of its predecessor, but with a modern twist. Its shape was pure retrofuturism. You had the iconic nostril vents on the hood, deep side scoops to feed the beast within, and that classic camback tail. Under the rear clamshell sat a monstrous 5.4-liter supercharged V8, pumping out 550 horsepower. This wasn't just a tribute, it was a legitimate supercar that could hit 60 miles per hour in about 3.8 seconds. It was raw, analog, and a complete thrill to drive, firmly re-establishing Ford as a builder of world-class performance machines. After the first generation ended production in 2006, the world had to wait a decade for its return, and boy, was it worth the wait. In 2017, the second generation Ford GT exploded onto the scene, and it was a completely different animal. Ford's mission was clear: win Le Mans again, 50 years after their historic victory, and they designed the car to do just that. The 2017 model's design was dictated entirely by aerodynamics. Every curve, every vent, every surface was sculpted by the wind. Those incredible flying buttresses weren't just for show. They channeled air over the car's body to a massive active rear wing, creating immense downforce. Instead of a V8, Ford opted for a high-tech 3.5-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6. Some purists were skeptical, but with 647 horsepower, this engine was a powerhouse. The chassis was a carbon fiber monocoque, making the car incredibly light and rigid. This wasn't just a road car, it was a race car tamed for the street. The driving experience was razor-sharp, a precision instrument compared to the first-gen's muscle. And true to its purpose, it won its class at Le Mans in 2016. Ford's mission was accomplished. Through its production run until 2023, we saw several special editions. The Competition Series stripped out non-essential weight. The Carbon Series showed off more of its lightweight construction. And who can forget the Heritage Editions, paying tribute to the original GT40 liveries with their iconic color schemes. Each one celebrated a piece of the GT's incredible history. The final send-off, the GT K4, was a track-only monster with over 800 horsepower, a radical long-tail body, and aerodynamics that pushed the limits of what was possible. It was the ultimate expression of the second generation's racing DNA. So, what does the future hold? Let's imagine the year is 2035. The world has changed, and so has the supercar. The fourth generation Ford GT would be an engineering marvel, blending heritage with next-generation technology. Visually, it would still be instantly recognizable, retaining the iconic GT silhouette, but evolved. The lines are cleaner, more fluid, with active aerodynamic panels that constantly adjust to optimize airflow. The flying buttresses are still there, but now they are more integrated, almost looking like they're woven from lightweight composite materials. Under the hood, or rather, integrated into the chassis, would be a hybrid powertrain. A compact, high-revving, biofueled V6 engine would work in perfect harmony with a powerful front-axle electric motor. This setup would provide instant, all-wheel drive torque, pushing total output well over 1,200 horsepower. The interior would be a minimalist tech fest, with an augmented reality windshield displaying speed, navigation, and track data. The 2035 Ford GT wouldn't just be a car. It would be a statement, proving that even in an electrified future, the raw, emotional thrill of a supercar can and will endure. It would carry the torch of its ancestors, representing the pinnacle of American performance. From a retro revival to a Le Mans champion, and into a hypothetical hybrid future, the Ford GT story is one of constant evolution and relentless ambition. It's a testament to what happens when you combine passion, heritage, and cutting-edge engineering. What do you think the next GT will look like? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.